Here, so everything must be working. I hope everyone is. And phones are ringing here. Things have been crazy. You haven't seen me in a couple days, which, if anyone's wondering, I am healthy and everything is good. However, it has been grueling, to say the least. Let's start with where things are at. The path here. Hello, Fred. The path to get here and where we're at right now, how close we are. And I just wanted to tell you guys, all of our Red Rebel, hello. All of our holders, everyone who's behind us early on, you guys are going to be... I can't even tell you how much I appreciate the support. For what we're doing, the patience that you guys have shown. I can only promise you that we are working so hard on the back end to do everyone right. We are, I'm not showing it. Hello, Kitson. Maybe I'm not showing it right now, but the exhaustion, like last night, sitting there's a group of us in person. There's more devs on Discord. And I'm telling Omar something, and he's like, "What?" And I'm like, "Dude, we're done. We'll go home for the night. Your brain is turned to mush. We need to go ahead. Come on in." Angelina's gonna try to limbo underneath the camera. Just go.
I thought I was gonna slip with my slippers.
No slipping.
Hi guys.
This isn't a Walmart with a where you could do a fake injury in the aisle. So
No workman's comp.
Yeah, no workman's comp. So let me go. So I just want to say how much I appreciate everyone. I appreciate your patience. I don't want that to be unsaid. We are definitely working our tails off here. We're working our asses off for everybody. They've got to have a little fun the last couple days. Yesterday was short and brief.
Yeah, we had a lot of work on marketing.
Yeah.
And
it's long days right now, 10, 12, 14-hour days. The dev guys they're really feeling it because it's not even fair. Honestly, I could say, oh, well, the dev team's taking a little longer. They're late. They haven't delivered on time.
it's really not fair because they're looking at a screen all damn day, and even if I want to ask Omar, for example, something, I feel bad. I feel like I'm bothering him because every second, every minute counts.
And he has a lot of pressure on him with the team to make sure. We're all feeling it because it's not fair because we put a mountain in front and then we want to conquer that mountain as quick as possible. So here's our unfortunate work ethic. Is we have amazing work ethic. We all show up. We all put in extra time, more than extra time, double time, triple time, whatever it takes. Not to say that we all get compensated as such. We just kind of grind it out. When you probably break it down, some of us are like, we would make a lot more money working at McDonald's.
Not me.
When you do the per hour, wow. With hours worked, he put in 130 hours this weekend.
At least we get free lunch. We get free lunch and snacks. We're
So-
always fed.
There's definite perks, but yeah, you're like, okay, well, I made $2 per hour, pretty rough, but the payoff is a little different from the way we look at it. We're not really thinking along those lines. The reality is, we do all love being here. We spend a lot of hours in these walls, and it is fruitful and it's rewarding when you have success and you do something and it resonates. It feels good, right? To accomplish things. So anyway, where are we at? How close are we? I'll give you. I typed a lot in Telegram today, so if you're reading Telegram, as you guys know, I'm pretty transparent about what challenges. Big one that we're having some issues with scalability, with the way we were going to handle. a BNB situation where BNB is the base coin of the blockchain that we operate on. We're on the BNB or the Binance Smart Chain, and BNB is the base coin. That means that when you pay to write an entry to the ledger system, it's paid in BNB. So the challenges in our ecosystem is if someone receives a new Bitcoin but they don't receive any BNB, is that a new Bitcoin stuck and unusable because they can't pay for the next transaction record. You have to initiate the transaction and pay with the base currency, which is BNB. So we had a couple ways to accomplish it, and some of them were too expensive for transactions. So because we want to be using this as a medium for transactions, so we kind of just had to invent a new way to do it. And Angelina she's hearing about this for the first time.
Some of it, because they're always, chatting about it, and I'm just there.
Yeah.
And they look so stressed out, and I'm like, Rob. I had a conversation with him today, and I was like, Rob, it's all right. I mean, I know you guys are waiting. We're all waiting, but it's always good to just take your time with certain things. Yes.
A little zen.
Yes, we need zen moments here. Because if we were to rush in something like this, I feel like the whole project would just be a no-go.
Yeah, I mean, there is a little bit of okay, stop, take a breath, reflect, see where we're at. That whole no gas thing, so I don't know if anyone else can do what we did, because we had to make it like from scratch and nobody else has it. And it uses a lot of tools to accomplish. We basically are able to do transactions without any gas coming out of the transaction. We're able to bypass even pancake swap fees. We're able to do some things where I'm like, we could really do that? So, yeah. We are doing some things that is we're yeah, I mean, pancake swap isn't very much, but it charges 0.5%. And when you're doing transactions, that 0.5% does add up. And we were like, let's see where we can take the limits of, it's called the BEP 20 standard and BEP 20. And it's a fork or clone of the ERC 20 standard, which is the universal token standard that everybody uses. Sorry, I catch myself looking up to do that, but the camera's right there. So you guys are like, how come he never looks in the camera?
Our camera's like set up in a weird angle.
It is.
Like...
So the BEP 20 standard you have to play. It basically draws the field where you got to stay in, and you can play the soccer game on the field. And our dev team, if they are a soccer team or something like that, and every Clean Code development team is a soccer team, our dev team is not breaking rules, but they're pushing them to the limits where an umpire would be like, is that legal to do that? Do I call a foul here? What do I throw a flag? Because to do what we're doing, we have to be very creative on the ways we process things. And sometimes we've got it, it's like easy, it's like working. But then we reevaluate, we're like, okay, can we do this a slightly different way? And we run that scenario different, and then we analyze the fees on the blockchain to see which method was cost less to operate over time. Because all of these things that we're doing right now, if we rush through them just because it's like you guys are like, hey, come on, we've been waiting, we're ready for this, let's go. I want to do right by you guys. At the same time, I would hate to have not spent a little more due diligence, taking a little extra time and double checking to see every little thing that we can increase efficiency, Because what I don't want to do is, after we launch, we are going to spend so much money in advertising. We're going to be on everything. I know we handled the whole reason we're not getting on exchanges and things like, well, some of the exchanges we just haven't applied to, but any of the delays we've had, I know they're directly related to some of the things that we've fixed with chunks of coins sitting in wallets, things like that. We have completely revamped the visibility of the coin. All the same features are there, but the way that it looks on the blockchain is going to be lean and mean. It is going to be absolutely better than anybody else. It is really something to behold as far as how we're doing the minting, how Lola's working. Our pool boy mechanic is new. We're bouncing a name for our ecosystem guy, the guy that manages the ecosystem. We were gonna have Lola do it, but Lola's got a lot of work. Like, honestly, she's got a lot of control already. We kind of need a dedicated person in charge of the ecosystem, and it is on its own server anyway, secured behind its own stuff. So we were thinking maybe Pennybags. That's the name of the Monopoly guy. If you guys have another, I know Pennybags.
Definitely
Uncle
not.
Pennybags
No.
I'm picturing some guy with the old school.
The guy from
the Monopoly guy.
Monopoly.
Like him managing the whole ecosystem.
Yeah.
Like some tycoon. Ooh, tycoon.
Yeah, but I was thinking more of like an Albert Einstein type of guy.
No,
like,
I mean brilliant, but we don't know if Albert Einstein was good with money, right? Who's good? I mean, we could call it one of the Rockefeller or something, but I don't want to really give them call him Batman. That could be confusing. Alfred? Should we call him Alfred? He manages the whole Batcave. Not that. The ACDC!
That's
Anubit coin distribution code!
That's actually a good one.
Hey, I think ACDC's taken, but that's pretty... That's
actually a good one.
Brutal.
But every time I think of ACDC, I just think of like a little tiny tattoo on someone's arm. I'm just like, oh man, crazy.
It hurts. It really hurts. If I'm ever in like a public pool or something like that, Mario won't be happy. If I'm ever in a public pool or something, sometimes I don't think about it, and then I'll see someone look at my tattoo and they're just like,
what happened to the rest of it?
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, I've got no shame though, I don't care. So Mario will be happy. Yeah. I don't really want to do anything that's it's something that could be potentially part of marketing and part of I don't want to talk about something that's, that's our Batman or something just because copyrighted or whatnot. So Mr. Peanut does the Mandela effect. Mandela getting me Eco Gem. Yeah, there's a lot. We put eco in front of a bunch of stuff. Anyway, clever name submissions are appreciated. We definitely are open. I know when the right one, like when you guys said, I don't know who was it said pool boy. I don't want to take anyone's credit, but I yelled out pool boy, and half the office yelled pool boy,
and that was it. That was
done. It was like, okay, I guess that our bounty guy is the pool boy, manages the bounty pool. So so this one, I know when the right name comes out, we will we'll all know it, and I'm sure we'll jump on it because it's when you're doing hard work like this, where I know we don't have shovels and we're not digging ditches or anything.
No, it's a lot of work.
It's
a lot of fucking work. I'm gonna just say it, okay? It's a lot of work.
Yeah. You guys get to see the fun part. This is the fun part.
Sometimes I feel like even while we're working, we're still fun. We try to keep everything lightweight with between all of us, and then we're like, all right, we're serious now.
Yeah, yeah.
Shut up.
Everyone heads go down. It gets real quiet in the office
super quiet
for long periods, and then Omar will come up and all right, and it's on to the next thing. And but yeah, the pace has been pretty frantic. It's been crazy. So where are we? The coin code is. I got to wrap it up. The coin code is virtually locked. We're just doing optimizations. We have conquered every technical challenge that we needed to conquer, and the coin code is conquered. It is, if we're Ahab, the whale, well, didn't he get eaten by the whale?
I thought he did.
Did he like kill it from the inside? Well, the whale ate us.
Yeah.
And then we killed it from
yeah.
We happened to have a big sword. We cut off the whale's head from inside. But we have conquered it. The big challenge is I've got guests here, so we've got a merchant has arrived. We had to have a big merchant meeting. Yeah. But we are moving on to the next step now. Are we running a little bit behind? If we launch the code, I can see launching tonight or tomorrow. The Get Anubit Now button, I can see us delaying because they still, when they launch it, they have to turn on all these other subsystems we have. We don't just have a coin. We have all these other things that interact with it. We got our Lola. We've got our ACDC system, or whatever we want to call it. We got our Pool Boy. Those all have to properly talk, and we have to launch the code. Plus, we have to do the full transition. It'll go seamlessly on your back end, but we got to do a pause again. We got to airdrop everyone the quantities. We got to reset the liquidity pool and move all that over. All that has to happen somewhat seamlessly.
But it'll be worth it.
So it's a lot to do, even to do this right, and none of that can just be half-assed. It has to be done to the nth degree. No giveaway today?
Yes, let's do one real quick.
Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway. So I don't have a lot of time. Oh my God! Hey, look, the green screen. The green doesn't show up. You won't be able to see green. So from now on, you'll have to leave green. You have to leave the green ones empty.
Empty for sure.
You can always leave them as no game today. Get wrecked. I'm just.
Oh wait, let's see. I think that should be good.
All right. Okay. So type in R if you are ready. Do you have a question? I haven't read it, so explain to us how this works.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this little guy. Wherever it lands, that's the question you guys are gonna have to answer.
They're already looking at the black ones. They can't even see it, so you're gonna have to read it out loud once it. Okay.
I'll use my new pointer. I got a pointer.
That is, it's the worst pointer ever.
I call it the fluffer.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's horrible. I'm gonna no comment because HR will fire me.
We don't even. Do we have an HR?
No. No HR. Yeah, if we had HR, we'd all be working from home.
Yeah. We're bad here. We're terrible.
So, all right. She's gonna spin the wheel. Wait. What is your? I don't want to call it I don't want to say fluffer. What does your pointer do? What is it?
I'm gonna be like ding ding ding, and then
okay.
But we need more.
Why not a bell?
We need more readies.
Why not a bell?
We don't have a bell.
Okay, we don't have enough readies. So either
we get enough readies,
or we can just give it away to Yenna, dude.
Yep. Dun, dun, dun,
all right, I see some blowing in.
Dun.
I don't know. Is that? I don't think that's appropriate music for wait music.
Huh? Dun.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
We're gonna go.
All
we're gonna go.
So it has nifty sounds. So let me get the microphone.
Yes.
Right here.
Okay.
So that you can hear the click, 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 click.
All right. Are you guys ready?
I'm definitely ready.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, it looks really cool on camera. I like it. All right. So what's our question here?
Fuck, I can't read.
could have seen that
There we go.
coming.
There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. He saw the question before. It was what coin started as a joke.
Fred nailed it.
Never mind. Thanks for taking my moment. I'm just kidding. I'm joking.
Fred, like, I can't read that. How can you even read that?
I can't even read my own handwriting.
You know what? I should have reversed the camera to
to like.
What coin started as
go.
a joke? Yes.
I couldn't even read my own writing.
I mean, that's really good. Did you write that question?
Who has the best handwriting here?
No. But who came up with the question?
I did.
That's really good.
You know,
I like
it. I'm learning.
I like it.
So we'll start playing this more. And
Okay,
we'll have different
Dogecoin.
questions.
That was really simple. Fred, you have yet to send a wallet. So, who do you want the coin to go to, Fred? Who do you want to go to? You want to go to you? Because I'm tired of... I'll send today. Okay, I think I owe you like 5, okay?
My mic fell off. Yeah, he'll send you 5.
We don't want to know where the mic went. Okay, so send your wallet, Fred. We'll kick you to. King was 5+ today. 5+ today. Oh, he's stockpiling. I gotta keep mentally track of everything here. Come on now. Okay, 5+ today, so 7. King, send me yours. I'll send you an extra one. Thank you guys. We are. I'm gonna head into a meeting. Thank you all for your support, patience. You know what? In chat, when people have questions, you guys are jumping all over to help them out, to take care of. As an extension of us, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, how much it means to us, so that we can get this done on our end. It's one less thing for us to have to worry about. Thank you, everyone. The community is wonderful, and we're gonna grow this really big. So I hope you guys like company. Sorry, I burped. I'm drinking root beer.
Root beer.
It does that. So, all right, thank you guys. Send me that info for King and Fred, wallet addresses. Just confirm where you want it going. Your rewards will be distributed to anyone that didn't win. We'll see you tomorrow, where we will spin the wheel and we'll have to fix the blackout ones.
Yeah, green screen vibes.
Green screen, gotcha. All right, thank you.
Bye.
Let's see if I can figure out how to...
It's